What's up, it's your boy Pope. We are back at it again with another daily pack challenge. On today's episode we have Mega Dream. Artwork on this thing is crazy cool anyways. We are looking for the Gengar, the Pikachu, or the Team Rocket's Mewtwo. We have one pack today. We're going to rip it and see what we can get. I think it's two to the front. We'll see. First time opening this set. Got a hollow Dustin, hollow Macargo. Oh, sweet.
Nice.
We got the Drappy. And a Clefairy EX. Pretty good for a single pack. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.